Okay, so let's start. So hi everyone and welcome to our free weekly market outlook. Hope that you're good, hope that you're doing with the setups. First, let me know that everyone who is interested can join our trading academy and our wonderful community, and just simply go to our website tradedmaster.eu, okay, and go under the membership tab and you will find the membership levels. So let's go. First, I would like to show you what I have posted there and what is active, what is not active anymore. Okay, your cat, this is fresh idea. I posted this today in the morning. Okay, so you're possible we will still watching the wave to the downside. So in the upcoming week, we will be watching for the sell stops. Okay, lower time frame sell stops all the way back to that bottom. Okay, but first target is that one. Then we just have to see how aggressive chart will be down there, and then the next target is previous bottom. USDN, this one will go still to the downside, but my point and my main trade will be to the upside. Okay, as you can see that I'm all the time watching for the buy. There was my buy. Okay, you see this buy, the buy. This one doesn't look like it will break out of this structure. Okay, it looks like it's going for another new low. Then we will see a wave to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye. If you find any big 1 hour corrections over there for the sell, you can take the sell and take off your profit. Okay, too long. Anytime soon it can break to the upside, but you'll see that on lower time frame. Okay, I will show you later on. I will go step by step to all those pairs and show you what we are waiting on lower time frames. Pound USD, okay, if you were taking the sells, you're a seller already, great. Okay, so those trades and those trades, put them on break even. Okay, so the price can do, it can correct over there and then it can drop down for one more low. Okay, so and then the price can bounces back and break that high. So which one at the end of the week what the price is trying to do? Okay, but this will be the trade for this week. What else? USDN, okay, that one is the older one. You have the fresh one there. Okay, so you don't need to watch that one. Gold, it extended, but it drops anyways. Okay, so what it did, the gold went up and then it drops really nicely. Okay, so there wasn't a breakout. Okay, in case if you take this breakout, you should close it because you see that this didn't move anywhere, and you should close it over there. So what the price will do now, it will correct and one more down. We'll show you later on. Silver, same thing. Okay, so what it did, the correction has just extended. Okay, this is the extension over there, extension of the correction. You will find this example really many times. Corrections do go, okay, then they extend and then they drop. Okay, and this is the problem where many traders are struggling. Okay, once you take the breakout entry over there, you should close it to break even once you see that the chart is struggling there. Okay, when it's not moving, as you see there. Okay, if you take anywhere there, your sell, this didn't go anywhere, you should close it immediately. Close it and watch for another sell. Okay, and what it did, it went up. There is the ending diagonal channel. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, drop down. Okay, so you will be able to catch that sell. What else? Bitcoin. Okay, that one is still not ready. The buy setups are keep forming. I think that there you have a 4 hour a running flat there over there, which can go and tag that high. So be careful. Don't sell it anymore. It's the sell setup. Okay, it's not ready because on lower time frame you can see that prices keep pushing higher and keep forming buy setups. Okay, so wait already. It's already forming a running flat, so we can see the retest of the previous high. New Zealand USD, that one it's gone. Yes, you can see that there was also an ending diagonal channel. It break down, so if you take profit or at least break even. Okay, so we are selling it again. New sales should be there on New Zealand USD, but I didn't repost. Okay, euros, it did really nicely. Okay, so if you sell it somewhere there or this kind of the expanded flat, okay, if you sold this expanded flat, you did a wonderful job. Okay, that was a nice wave to the downside also. And it's gone, yeah, okay? So I will have to repost some of those trading ideas, okay? Think that this is setting old charts, yes. That one should be at least close to break even or with small profit. LTCUSD didn't go far, okay? So if you were selling it there, okay, it started to correct, you were watching for new sell, the new sell didn't appear. So you see how strategy is really, really good, because if you are watching the wrong direction, the chart will not, the trade will not go, the trade will not open, okay? So it went up, went down, went up for this move, okay? It didn't take that high as I was anticipated, but nice profit over there. You should take some profits, okay? So this should be your profit, and then sell was also tradable. Now we will watch DXY for the buy setups. Okay, so let me just start with fresh setups now. Okay, so yeah, that one dropped down really nicely. Correct one more and then drop. So let's go. Let me start with the setups. I would like to start just okay. So let's go. Silver. What do we have here on the silver? I still see the silver will go to the downside. Let me move on 4 hour. Okay, this is much clear picture for you. Okay, the price, what it can do, it can struggle here, it will break down. Okay, you will see this movement. Okay, correction is over. Once you find the sell stop on lower time frame, take it and put on break even. If it will go for new high, new sell, put on break even, new sell, put on break even. Okay, so all the time you will be taking the break even trades until the correction is not ready. Okay, but once will drop down. Okay, which one it will drop, we don't know. We just have to keep an eye and focus for those sells. One of them will go and you will make nice profit. Similar correction like this one. Okay, similar like that one. It will just struggle go for the sell. Okay, one of them will go, or this one or this one. Okay, you see, once you catch something like this one or this one or this one will give you a really huge profit over there. Okay, 5 to 6% on your capital, on your trade. Sorry. So watch it there. Okay, down. You can go for the buy. Yeah. Okay, it's ready. It will stay there for a couple more days, and then it will start to push lower. Okay, so in the middle of the week, somewhere one Wednesday, Tuesday, or maybe Friday, we will see this movement to the downside. Okay, so don't rush it. Okay, on 1 hour, as you can see, if this is correct, you can take that sell. You will see how far it will go. If it will stop there and start there, take profit. Okay, then it will go up. Watch for new sell. Take that sell. Take your profit if it will start to struggle. Okay, and we can see the price will be channeling over there. So careful. DXY. Okay, DXY. What do we do anticipate? Okay, this is the impulse and this is the contracting flat. So I do anticipate that the price will be moving to the upside. So at the moment, what we can anticipate is there's the nice impulse. Now the price seems to be ready, and we have to keep an eye on lower time frame. Okay, we already have some reactions. The price is correcting right now. So how far it can correct? It can correct there, and then at any time soon it can break out. Once it will break out, you want to take the trade. Okay, so another scenario which can appear is the price will be struggling. Okay, it can struggle there and correction will just extend. It will not change the direction of the market. Okay, and then it will break to the upside. So anyway, we are still anticipating the dollar will go to the upside, and that means that your USD will be nice trade to the. Okay, your USD. Okay, already have some sales from the top over there. You guys should add some trades over there during this week. Okay, we have an expand. Oh, sorry, what was that? There is the expanded thread which will just break down. Okay, so try to watch this correction. Once this will be finished, you wanna take the trade. Okay, take the trade, and your first target will be there 1.16. Okay, this will be your first target, and the other is 1.15. Okay, so two targets. Which one it will be? We just have to keep this 1 hour correction to complete. So what we can have, something like that. It can extend one more high, and then it will drop amazingly. Okay, there was some nice setups. This one, this rate should be taken off at the break even. Now you can search for new entry. Keep an eye on it, but it will go to downside. So no worries. Use the chief. Okay, so what the price can do, as you can see that it is also there. Let me show you the daily structure. Okay, this is a one huge pattern over there, one huge flag. So what we do anticipate based on dollar movement, we have a new low, and from new low we are having a nice impulsive movement over there. So what we can anticipate during this week, okay, the price can just struggle there for a little bit deeper flag, okay, deeper pullback, and then you want to go for a buy. Okay, definitely you want to take it buy. But what you can also have there with for our MACD, okay, you see moment the price is still showing some more downside. Okay, so maybe till Tuesday or Wednesday, we can see the price will be struggling there in that zone, and then you want to watch for the strong break to the upside. Okay, this thing will go to the upside. So any trade that you will take, I do recommend you to put your stop loss over there, so you will be safe. Okay, so you will not be scared what the price will be doing over there, because it will go to the upside and should not break this low. So your your stop loss will be safe. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, so just let the price struggle there. 1 hour, you see. You can also pull the trend line over there and watch correction how it will struggle there. Okay, it can struggle for one more, one down, and then it will break up. Okay, so this is what we can have over there. But any break to the upside, you wanna take the trade, okay? Or if you want to go, you can search for those lows, okay? You can start buying from the low, but you have to be really experienced trader if you wanna catch those lows. Okay, it's not that easy as it looks. You will have to be experienced. Easier for you will be that you will join on the strong break to the upside, okay? So keep an eye. Don't focus on sell stops because you will miss the focus on sell stops, okay? Aussie USD, based on the dollar movement, we know what the price is trying to do. Okay, there is a nice expanded flat also. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so nice expanded flat there in the making. So the price will be doing in the upcoming week, it will go down. Now the question is how far this correction can go. Can it go retest the previous top? I don't think so. But it can struggle there and then it can break down. Okay, something like this. We can have our running flat over there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice running flat. So keep an eye there. That could be a nice trade and you don't want to miss it. Okay, we will have close eyes in our academy on that chart. New Zealand USD is also an amazing chart, so you want to watch for it. Okay, this is the to the downside, back to the 10 line. And if we will be lucky, and if this will be the trade which will drop, you have amazing trade for the top. If not, then it will just go for one new high. You will close your profit and you will be sell again. Okay, easy, no worries. You will book anyway your profit. Okay, so there should not be a losing trade over there. As you can see that there are amazing setups. Okay, so what the price is doing, it's pushing lower. Let me move on 1 hour. There's much big and clear picture. Okay, finished. You definitely wanna take the trade to the downside. Okay, so it can be also it can be also it can be already ready. Sorry. Okay, so watch for this strong break to the downside and take the trade. Okay, so a little bit, but anyway, wave to the downside. It's your focus. Pound USD, similar thing there. Okay, correction. It shall break down. You see that one? It will break down, so keep an eye on it. It will break down during the week. USD CAD, same there. Okay, I see a new low over there, so you can watch for your sell stops on USD CAD. Take this sell, we'll see how far it goes. Take your profit, then you will wanna go for a buy setup. Okay. See, I see this one breaking lower. Okay, maybe Tuesday or maybe tomorrow in the middle of the day, it can continue pushing lower. USDN. Okay, this is my favorite one. Okay, this is where I would like to spend some more time to explain you what the price is trying to do. Okay, as you know that we are there in the weekly correction. Okay, weekly correction is there. And as you can see that we are having a nice impulsive movement over there, the price is in the correction, and now we are having the correction in the correction. Okay, so this thing will go to the upside, we will have at least this kind of the movement, but if the price will repeat that kind of the movement, then this will be a huge and nice profit over there, which you should not miss. Okay, but at the moment the price, so stay patient a bit more. As you can see that we just started to pushing lower. Okay, there are some strong candles, some reaction, and we may see the price will be pushing lower. Okay, back to 101. Okay, so 101 500, something like that, or 101. Okay, those two prices are important, or it can start to struggle around the previous low. Okay, we will see, and then break out. Just keep an eye there. 4 hour will be nice time frame. Okay, so but anyway, on this wave to downside, if there will be any setup, take every single buy setup. Okay, and you should do the same. Take every single setup. But if there will be a nice 1 hour correction like this one, let me just show you. Okay, this could be high. You see, we have a nice impulse, like the correction. Okay, this is the correction which you're having over there. Okay, this is the high, and now we are going down. But if we'll have the correction like this one, what I would like to tell you, this one correction, take the trade. Okay, take it. Your profit is previous bottom, 103.200. Okay, this will be your profit taking area, and then you'll start watching for the buy setup. If there will be any buy setup, you take it. Okay, as I you will take. Don't miss it. Okay, but don't be also too fast, because as you can see that the price is aggressively pushing lower, and you don't want to chase the price which is not ready for the buy. Okay, so hope guys that you have understand what I'm already talking about. Just a second. Okay, so let's go. Aussie cat, what do we also have over there is wave which will push lower. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this wave should be over, and now we will be pushing lower, at least back to the trend line. So watch for a sell stops. Watch for a sell stop, at least back to the trend line. Aussie chief, okay, also drop down. Watch for a sell stop. As you can see that we are anticipating the Aussie to drop. Okay, we are anticipating Aussie going lower, but Aussie New Zealand, there will be a strong reaction on the New Zealand. So I would rather stay away from the Aussie New Zealand. Okay, I don't like it at the moment where it is. It's on really tricky spot, and Aussie is showing me more to the downside. Okay, we are in the mid bottom. We are not even on the top. So I would rather go for the sell only there. Once you have there this kind of the running flat, then I will take that sell. Otherwise, I will not be interested. So I would rather stay away from the Aussie New Zealand, because the correlation can break over there. So okay, your Aussie can push higher. Okay, it can even reverse its total to the upside. So keep an eye there for your buy stops. As you can see, one buy stop it's already in the making. So this, and then break to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye for your buy stops on the Euro Aussie. Euro New Zealand, watch for your buy stops. I see that the price for huge running flat there in the middle, okay, and then we'll be continuing to the downside. Okay, this move needs to repeat itself, but we need also one big correction. So what we'll do, wait for the correction, then take the trade. Okay, this will be nice trade, something like this one. Okay, so similar wave there, so you have a lot of time to catch the trade, and a many setup will form over there from 1 hour 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, there will be a wonderful setups and you cannot miss the trade. New Zealand cut, watch that one. It will correct itself, pushing lower all the way back to the bottom, or at least there this is the target. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch for sell stops. Euro cat, I have already shown you there in the beginning of the webinar because I have posted this on TradingView on my profile, so you know what the price is trying to do. The price will complete this huge flat over there. Okay, so watch for your sell stops. Watch for your sell stops during the week. Okay, this is the nice wave which is coming over there. Okay, so keep an eye. Your chief, that go. That's not going anywhere. That looks like a contracting flat, which will just push higher. So what the price can do, it can struggle there. Okay, so how big it will get, we don't know. We just have to keep an eye, track it. You will see. Okay, once this is over, you will see that it will just break to the upside. Okay, the correction can get a bit bigger like this, and then it can break from there. It will not go below that impulse generation point. Okay, I don't see it reversing. So stick to this contracting flat. Your GBP also here is there. I would like to see the price of pushing higher, but at the moment there is no momentum. Okay, the price is trying to reverse it. It can go for new low, and then we will have a reversal. Okay, so no stops there. There are some uncertainties there on between the euro and the pound. So I will just leave the chart for a couple more days. Okay, and then in the middle of the week maybe we'll have to watch it closely to see what exactly is doing and on which spot we are. Okay, pound Aussie similar there. Okay, so what the price can do, it can correct and break down. Pound chief, okay, breaking down, so correction there, breaking down. But if you will listen to me, I would recommend you to stay away from the pound pairs. Okay, pound pairs are not tradable. So you have there which are tradable, but stay away from the pound pairs. They are not looking good, and their spot is also bad. Okay, pound cat similar there, it can just go down, so watch for a setup if you want to trade the pound this week. If not, simply skip it. Okay, euro yen will continue to downside. This is one huge expanded fed there in the middle of this. Okay, so it will continue to the downside, so keep an eye there for the buy stops, and now we will watch for the sell stops. Okay, buy will be only possible once we'll break this bottom somewhere there. Okay, also the 2 points, two levels where you will start watching for your chart to reverse. But for now, in the upcoming week, watch for your sell stops. Sell stops could be really nice, something like this. One huge running flat there, not huge, sorry, 1 hour actually, and then going lower. Okay, so it can appear really fast. So watch it. Put your stop loss above the high. You okay? So let's go. Chief Yen. What this thing is doing? Okay. This can reverse for one more high, or it can correct there and break lower. Depends on 1 hour. 1 hour will exactly tell you what the price will do in the future. It may also give you the running flat there. So keep an eye there. This running flat will tell you the direction and where to get in and how to put your stop loss. Cadian, similar there. Okay, so huge expanded flat there. Watch for price to sell. Okay, so this is pushing lower. One more running flat going lower. Okay, and keep pushing lower. As you can see that Euro yen, Chief yen, Cad yen, New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, and USD yen. So you can see that the yen it's looking like an upside. Okay, so we will see that the yen will get some strong. Okay, so yen will get strong. So based on that, we can anticipate that those chart will push lower. Okay, so oh, sorry guys. Okay, so we can watch for sell stops over there. New Zealand yen also. Okay, watch this. New Zealand yen will be also a nice chart. We are having a huge correction over there. You see, and now based on that 1 hour correction, that's gonna give us a nice setup. Take the trade once the correction will be over. Okay, so similar there. Aussie USD. Oh, sorry, Aussie yen. Okay, so 1 to 3, something like that. Then it will go lower. Put your stop loss there. So you want to make sure that your stop loss is placed on a safe spot, on the safe level. Okay, pound yen looking downside based on the yen. Okay, like I said, because the yen will be pushing higher, we can anticipate the wave to the downside. Okay, so the pound will not lead this chart over there. So stick to the sell stops. New Zealand chief, it's also good chart. Nice impulse. Now we are correcting, and this is the wave which we are anticipating over there. So wait for it. Yes. Okay. Correction. Take the trade. No worries. Something like this. Okay. Something like this. So just take the trade. That can be a nice trade. Catch if. Okay. One more buy. It's possible there. As you can see, that this is not the momentum, and like that one. But at any time soon, it will just reverse to the upside. So I would rather stay away from the catch if that's also not a good place. Next week, okay, we will watch it to sell. USD Mexican, it will break down. Okay, so strong break to the downside. It's not tradable. Also, don't sell on the bottom. Okay, I don't like to sell at the bottom. I would like to sell at the tops. Okay, this is where I would like to sell, and I'm always buying at the bottoms like this. Okay, this is trying to push lower. So yeah, I would rather stay away from it, at least for now. US oil price has finished correction, started to push higher nicely. Those who are buyers from there, take profit off. Okay, take your profit off. I see that this can just break down. Okay, but keep an eye there in the upcoming week. That should not break higher. Out of this correction. If it will break out of this correction, will probably make new high, then it will still reverse to the downside. Okay, so keep your eyes on the UK oil and US oil. Both charts are the same. Okay, so once it will start to push aggressively to the upside, you can watch for the buy stops. Okay, otherwise, if this will correct for the sideways order, take the sell. We are going back to the previous bottom. Okay, so you will see that the price will visit 37 area again. Okay, so equity are having a new high. Okay, this move is completed now. 1, 2, and we are going for 3 somewhere there, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so running flat, huge running flat, daily running flat probably, and then the price will continue to the upside. Based on this area, what we are having already is, yeah, we will see a sell. Okay, we will have a sell stops in the upcoming week, so watch for your sells. That's it. Okay, for me it's completed, and it can just easily break down. SP500, similar thing over there. Watch this to complete, okay, and then going for a new wave to the downside, okay? So keep an eye on specific one. Only that one can push for one more high, okay? Why? We still didn't break, not even that high, not even that high. Okay, but I think that this will be breaking soon. Okay, we can anticipate that this thing will just break that high. UK 100. Okay, so if you were buying from there, you're doing really nice. Now you cannot do anything. Okay, we even didn't break that high, so let it break that high. And yeah, I would rather stay away from buying the UK 100. You are at the top, and you believe me that you don't wanna go for the buy. Okay, if this will correct there, then you may consider a buy. Otherwise, don't take a buy setup. Okay, just simply skip it. XRP lower. Okay, this thing will push lower, so in the one direction. So keep an eye. Watch for your sell stops. Bitcoin, okay, this is the scenario which I was talking before at the beginning of the webinar, that the Bitcoin can visit the previous top. Why this decision? Because you can see that this is a running flat which will go at least break this top, but if this move will be aggressive, we can visit the 20 area. Okay, so if not, then you will see some price actions over there around somewhere there. Yeah, it will go like that, break those tops, and somewhere there it will start to reverse. Okay, so no sell stops. Okay, as you can see that the prices keep forming buy setup, one huge buy setup is forming right there. Okay, so there was the smaller one, but this one is the bigger variation and break high. Careful. Okay, so you don't want to push with your sell stops there on the Bitcoin. This is what we can have. Okay, don't be aggressive and pushy. Same there. Ethereum USD breaking lower, giving you the running flat, and then it will push higher. LTC USD, same there. Okay, it can just stop there and then push higher. So all the cryptos, you can see that they are forming this strange running flat. Okay, so except that one, Ethereum Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum Bitcoin is going lower. It will visit the previous bottom. Okay, so where I have sugar. Okay, let's go. Mm, what do we have there? Yeah, this will go for the deeper correction. Okay, that's not gonna go continue like this one. So we do anticipate a bigger correction over there before pushing higher, but I will stay away from the sugar. It's not looking good right now. Okay, so EasyJet, some stocks. Okay, for those who are watching for the stock market, the price, if the price will correct over there, you can consider a buy only back that high, and then you have to be careful. Okay, this worse easily to the downside. Okay, that EasyJet has reacted on the news about the vaccine. Okay, so coronavirus vaccine has pushed that one really higher, but I don't see it totally reverses. Okay, so yeah, watch this top. Amazon. Okay, so it will just correct there and then it will still drop. Apple. Okay, dropping down. This is the contacting flat for more stops. Microsoft, same there. Okay, it can correct there, give you a bit bigger correction, and then it can still push lower. Okay, Tesla, same thing. Okay, bigger correction there, something like this, contracting flat and also pushing lower. Okay, all the stocks I'm watching to drop. Facebook, okay, correct, drop down, break that bottom at least, and then we will see a turning point. Okay, Nvidia, so yeah, this one also the bottom. AMD, same there. Okay, correct there and going lower. Okay, so guys, this is everything for the upcoming week. So make sure that you don't watch all the charts. Just pick, I don't know, 5 to 6 charts and watch them closely, because otherwise you will get lost and you will not make any money. Okay, so focus on few charts rather than freestyling on all the charts. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and share the weekly market outlook with others so they can also make some money from those setups. So take care, enjoy your day, and see you.